Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another set of new gadgets for you to explore. As always, the link to all the gadgets are in the video description. Without further ado, let's dive in. Ever wanted to have your own personal paparazzi that follows wherever you go? With the latest Pixy camera, you can literally feel like a superstar. Pixy is a flying drone with high-definition camera features that helps you to take the best shots and videos of you and your surroundings. All of them will be sent to the Snapchat memories where you can edit them on the go and share them through various social media. Besides Snapchat, the Pixy drone also allows you to share pictures and videos to other platforms as well. As for its built-in memory, it has the capacity for 100 shots and videos. The expensive flight pack version of the drone also comes with a controller, with features such as preset flight path and orbital float. After capturing all those precious moments, it will land right on your palm. Price of this drone sits at $230 and has a battery life of 5 to 8 flights per single charge. Are you someone that enjoys long-distance journey? And how many times have you ended up with neck or shoulder pain just because you slept in an uncomfortable position? The EasierHike Alpha pillow should resolve those problems during your next trip for the better. When compared to an ordinary pillow, it is way bigger, but easy to use. No additional tools are required to inflate it, and it doesn't even need your mouth to be in contact with the pillow. With just a single breath, the air will fill the space inside the pillow instantly. A magnetic seal is available to clip and seal the pillow to prevent any air from escaping. While a Lycra sock is also available for extra comfort. With it, your neck will be supported from all sides, and will prevent any neck and shoulder pain. Price of this useful product sits at $37. In addition, the kit also comes with a sleeping mask, and also a compatible phone stand for some movies. This device will give you some serious nostalgia feels while using it. With a design that closely resembles a portable handheld gaming device, the TrewGrip is an innovative handheld rear typing device, and also an air mouse for your mobile, tablet, and other electronics too. Regardless of looking very unusual, it still uses the popular QWERTY keyboard layout. It is designed where the keyboards are split and rotated to allow hands to easily grip on the device and perform multi-finger entry. With the keys at the back, the front part of the device gives its user a visual response via LED lighting as they type. The price of the TrewGrip sits at $299 at Walmart and Amazon. With the purpose to provide a genuinely waterproof Bluetooth speaker, the Turtlebox company has designed the perfect speaker for all your crazy adventures. Meet the Turtlebox Gen 2 speaker. Besides being extremely loud with crystal clear audio quality, it can be paired and synced with more than one Turtlebox speaker. The speaker also has a wide and easy grip handle made out of super tough nylon, which is military graded as bomb-proof. Hence you can bring it to anywhere you want no matter the harsh condition, including underwater. At the front of the device, there is an easy access control panel to improve user experience. The Turtlebox Gen 2 costs $399 on Amazon, and you will be able to charge your phone with it like a power bank with a USB-C output. If you are someone who loves cooking, but hates the unavoidable cooking fumes, this gadget right here is for you. The Airhood is the world's first portable range hood. It has a built-in powerful ventilator that extracts cooking fumes as you cook on the go. While at the same time, oil filter extracts greasy particles found in steam, and prevents them from settling on nearby kitchenware and other surfaces. While at the same time reduces the strength of lingering odors around cooking area. With the designed purpose of being portable and flexible, this device can be easily moved around the kitchen area, and its height can also be adjusted for better fume extraction. The Airhood cost $89. With a battery life of up to 100 minutes, there is definitely enough time to cook your meals. Meet the world's first integrated customizable bike computer, CoreCap. This smart device fits perfectly into your bike steerer tube. With this device, you will be able to keep track on how long you traveled, distance to your destination, and even finding new trails for you to explore. With Bluetooth enabled while using its designated mobile app, you will have total control over its many features, ranging from activities, stats, to your riding history. It will also be able to integrate with Strava, which is the world-leading fitness community app, to upload your rides directly to your profile, and share it with riders from around the world. With its bulletproof design, CoreCap is ready for any harsh environment. The price of the gadget sits at $253, and it's super easy to install. The Ring Alarm Pro gives you a full home security feature with built-in Wi-Fi for network security purposes. It greatly differs from other traditional home security systems because it offers optional layers of backup protection to help stay connected, even if the power or internet gets cut off. The device also offers complete protection on any windows, doors by using motion detection sensors that can operate 24/7. The Wi-Fi is still capable of covering up to 1,500 square feet in case the primary internet shuts down due to power outage. With its designated app, you will be able to control your home security system from the comfort of your phone, and manage your security layer protection easily. Price of the Ring Alarm Pro sits at $300. Have an impenetrable security system by getting one now. The Airbar is a USB-powered bar that can be placed below the screen of your MacBook or Windows PC, and instantly upgrading them with touchscreen functionality. It is suitable to be used for both 13 inches and 15 inches laptops. It can also be easily integrated into Mac operating system. With its multi-touch finger support, you will be able to use various gesture on the screen to browse through websites, such as tapping, swiping, pinching to zoom in or out, and also rotating your screen. The device easily attaches to the screen of your laptop using built-in magnets, making it perfectly secure. Price of this gadget sits at a starting price of $70 for 13 inches. With its USB cable, any laptops of yours will be compatible with it, while at the same time making your old and forgotten laptop into the modern era of technology. Here's another drone that yields higher durability and longer flight time than other drones in the market. Meet the O2 Drone with built-in 4K camera and state-of-the-art vision positioning system. It offers a 3-axis video stabilization feature as well, so that you can capture stunningly sharp and stable footage with ease. It has the capability to record up to 1 kilometer away and transfer those videos to most storage device. Unlike other drones in the market, the O2 features obstacle avoidance technology that stops your drone automatically in the air when approaching larger objects. By using its designated app, it will be able to perform various smart maneuvers and functions, such as flying the drone using just your smartphone, sharing videos on the go, and many more. The price of this amazing drone sits at $499. If you ever want to own a drone, why not just purchase the O2 rather than spending thousands of dollars on other drones in the market? Double Hold is a unique multifunctional strap phone holder and carrier. It is designed to be used in many occasions, at anywhere, anytime. If you need a phone stand, just convert the Double Hold into one so that you can enjoy videos and movies at any angle. Its innovative hinges design makes your phone extremely easy to be taken out and put back in. The quick release buckle also let you comfortably get in and out of the holder at the same time. With its built-in magnets, your phone will be secure in place as you get entertained. A designated card holder also allows users to store and keep any important cards, ranging from personal ID to credit cards. Price of the Double Hold sits at $49. With this gadget, you can now use your phone from the point of view perspective, and record videos hands-free. Be sure to check out our other videos over here for more amazing gadgets, and hit the like and subscribe button, which will only take a few seconds to help the channel grow.